Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on the general, and now let's enter the security. And as you can see here, we've got the option set up SIM card lock. So let's tap on it and enter change SIM pin option. As you can see right now, we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see right now, we have to enter our new pin, and the pin must be 4 to 8 digits long. So let me enter the pin, tap on OK, and right now we have to retype it in order to confirm. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that after restarting your device, it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.